In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Todoist and Google Calendar together with a handy two-way sync. This setup is perfect for those of you who want to streamline your task management and keep everything in one place. Imagine having all your tasks seamlessly integrated with your calendar. Let's dive in and get started. First, open up your web browser and type in app.todoist.com/auth/login. This will take you to the Todoist login page. Once you're there, you'll need to enter your credentials. This step ensures that Todoist knows who you are, so you can access all your tasks and projects. Go ahead and type in your email address and then follow that by entering your password. If you prefer a quicker login method, you can also choose continue with Google, Facebook, or Apple. This is really handy if you want to save some time. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to your avatar located in the top left corner of the page. Simply click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. From there, select Settings. This is your control center for all things Todoist, where you can customize your experience and make sure everything is working just the way you like it. Now, within the Settings menu, you'll want to zero in on the Calendars tab. Selecting this will present you with options related to calendar integrations. Here's where the magic begins. You'll see an option to connect Google Calendar. Go ahead and click on it. This will initiate the process of linking your Todoist account with your Google Calendar. Next up, a prompt will appear asking for certain permissions. These permissions allow Todoist and Google Calendar to sync your tasks and events smoothly. Make sure you carefully check the required boxes to grant the necessary permissions. This step is crucial. It grants Todoist the access it needs to update your Google Calendar with your tasks, and vice versa. After you've agreed to these permissions, you'll have the option to choose which calendars you want to see in Todoist. Think about your Google calendars and select the ones you consider most important. You probably don't want every single calendar coming through unless it's absolutely essential. To wrap it all up, make sure to toggle on the Sync Tasks to Calendar option. This will ensure that your tasks appear in your Google Calendar. Also, if you have tasks that are only marked by date and not time, it's a great idea to toggle on the Sync All Day Tasks option. This way nothing gets missed, even those tasks that simply need to be done sometime throughout the day. And that's it. You now have a fully integrated Todoist and Google Calendar setup. You can enjoy the seamless synchronization of tasks and events, helping you to stay productive and organized. Thanks for watching, and happy syncing.